Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing quickly. Back up your saved squads and documents folder so you can restore if something breaks. Then launch EAFC24 as administrator and close overlays like Discord or Steam because they can lock files. Once done, open the live editor tool that matches your exact game version. Mismatched versions cause crashes. You'll see the live editor load. Pay attention to any startup errors, and note the exact wording so you know where to focus next. You now focus on the middle steps to fix file and permission problems. First, verify and replace corrupt game files, or reinstall the live editor build if you see missing components. Next, make sure your user account has right permissions to the save and documents folders, change ownership, or grant full control if required. Also, disable Cloud Sync temporarily so edits don't conflict or get overwritten. This avoids version mismatches. Once these are stable, test a small edit to confirm the editor writes changes correctly. You finish by confirming edits persist and by cleaning up residual issues. Perform incremental saves and reload the game between changes to confirm persistence. This prevents large rollbacks. If you encounter visual issues, clear shader and cache folders, then restart both the game and editor to refresh assets. If crashes continue, capture editor and game logs, try a clean profile load, and test on a fresh Windows user account. One key tip: if nothing works, restore your backup and isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.